Is it over there? Oh, really? Where is it? Where is it? Is it in your hair? Where did it go? Really? Oh. Oh, you found it. You found it. Are you going to put it in your hair? You can put it in your hair. Yeah? Really? Where'd it go now? Oh, okay. What else? Oh. Oh. Where are you going? Huh? Yeah? Oh, okay. Really? What else happened? Oh my goodness. Really? Oh, bye-bye. What's over there? Really? And what else is over there? Oh, yeah? Really? Oh. Oh, my goodness. What are you doing? Yay! Oh, yeah? Aubrey. Where are you going? Aubrey. Hey. Aubrey. Aubrey. Oh my goodness. Really? Is it over there? You better go get it. Go get it. I don't know what you see, but go get it. Nah, Dada's not over there. Daddy's not over there. I know, you look so concerned. Daddy will be home soon. You want milk? Silly girl. Oh, well. Guess you didn't want it. Really? You look so concerned, Aubrey. Oh, goodness. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah? Is that how that happened? What happened next? Oh, goodness. Really? What happened next? Hey. Okay, Miss Destructive. No. Aubrey. Did you want to play? Can you say bye-bye? Aubrey, say bye-bye. No. Oh. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Aubrey, say bye-bye.